Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to make transparent whole text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, select the whole document, press the Ctrl A from keyboard, or you can go Home tab and select all. Now click the Home tab and click the drop down menu of font color and gradient fill color and more gradient. Now reduce the opacity from transparency. Now increase the font size for better understand. You can add background for more understand. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.